Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and we got here the Huawei Freebuds 3. It's the latest earbuds from the brand, and yeah, it promises a new intelligent sound because this one has an active noise cancelling similar to the Apple's AirPods Pro. I'm actually amazed with this one. I've seen this one and I've tried this one during the Huawei Developers Day conference at Singapore. We've attended on that event and we've tried this one and we're really amazed with the noise cancelling of this one. So what can we expect from this device? Well, according to websites, they got a Kirin A1 SoC inside. So according to Huawei, this is the world's first certified BLE dual mode Bluetooth 5.1 SoC. It also has a class leading 356 MHz audio processor, and yeah, it delivers a good audio quality, but of course we have to try it we have to try it first before we conclude to that. So one of the best things about the Huawei Freebuds 3 is its design. Well, we got here the case, which is a rounded case, but the design is actually not an in-ear buds. So this one is one of the few, I think this is the first one that I've seen, an earbuds with an active noise cancelling that doesn't pack an in-ear design. So this one has a design similar to the AirPods, the original one, not the AirPods Pro. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox this one and let's see the performance of the Huawei Freebuds 3. Now we have a really unique design on this one. Okay, so as you can see here, it's actually round, it's actually a circle. And yeah, just like this one, you can open this one, you can see here the Huawei Freebuds 3. It comes in black, it also comes in white if you want to buy the white one. But yeah, this is a very clean look. I actually like this one. It's not a unique design, but I do like it. We got the Huawei logo at the back. So yeah, we're gonna try it out later. So I need to scan this one. So this is the QR code for the Huawei AI Life app to set up your Freebuds 3. I'm not sure if I have that on my Huawei Mate 30 Pro, but I have to try it out. So let's see, and let's download the AI Life. Okay. So the Huawei AI Life is available at the App Gallery and also at the Play Store. So what are the other things that you can find inside the box of the Huawei Freebuds 3? So first, we got here the cable. There's no power brick on this one, but this one is a USB-A to USB-C cable. I'm not sure if this one is capable of fast charging, but I don't see a violet color in here similar to the charger on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. And lastly, we got here the manuals that you would probably read. So I am now wearing the Freebuds 3 of Huawei, and so far I'm really comfortable with this one. But if you're curious about the design, this one has a design similar to the Apple AirPods. So we got here a very comfortable design. There's no in-ear buds in here. We got here the metallic design below. We got a lot of holes for noise cancelling, bone conduction, vibration, everything. So it really helps in the noise cancellation for the Huawei Freebuds 3. So I've connected this one again on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. It's in my pocket right now. And so far, I'm really amazed with the noise cancellation of this one. So all you need to do is to open the application and check out the shortcut. So you could actually control the double tap left button for noise cancelling or whatever, or you could adjust the double tap right button for other functionalities, but I prefer using the left button for noise cancellation. So after I enable or disable the noise cancelling, actually I couldn't hear the aircon at my back. This is how good the noise cancelling of the Huawei Freebuds 3 is. And so far, what I like about it is that I can hear my voice, and Huawei promises that it has an intelligent noise cancellation. So whenever you're talking with someone, even if the noise cancelling is on, you could actually hear them talk, you could actually hear their voices, because the Huawei Freebuds 3 only minimizes or only canceling the background noises or the non-essential things that you don't need to hear. So yeah, I guess that's it for our first impression and unboxing of the Huawei Freebuds 3. So far, I'm really amazed with it. The design is fine. I like the quality of this one. The noise cancelling of this one is mind-blowing. I haven't tried the AirPods Pro, but after trying out this one, I think I do not need the AirPods Pro, which is way more expensive. As of this posting, the price hasn't been announced yet, but I'm pretty sure that this one is priced below 10,000 pesos. So I just noticed earlier after I use it for almost a day is that there's a button on the Huawei Freebuds 3. I'm not sure if you could see that one, but there's a small button in there. But if you press that one, if you hold that one, you could see that the light changes to blue, which means that the Freebuds 3 is now pairing to a device. So basically, you can use the Huawei Freebuds 3 to your other devices, to other like your notebooks or other operating system, as long as it supports wireless Bluetooth connection. So yeah, I guess that's it for our unboxing hands-on of our unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Freebuds 3. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to check out that subscribe button and click that bell button, and don't forget to check out the links below for my Facebook page and also my Facebook group. So once again, I am Jam of jamonline.ph. Thank you for watching. See you guys again in my next video.